Is it time to buy or sell Oracle stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Oracle. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Oracle as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.59%. This equates to an average return of 0.82% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper portion of a very broad and strong rising trend in the short term. This scenario could present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $336.16 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 22.46% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 12.40% to positive 25.45%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 33.88%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 35.34% and positive 35.05% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $212.17 and $443.17. Our latest daily update for Oracle includes the headline, Oracle stock price up more than 6.31% on Monday. The Oracle stock price gained 6.31% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025. The stock rose from $308.66 to $328.15. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.35%, reaching a low of $306.92 and a high of $329.49. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 37.6% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, signaling positive technical momentum, with a total of 955,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 40 million shares changed hands for approximately $13.09 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $345.68, while the lowest price was $118.86. Currently, the price stands 5.07%, or $17.53, below the 52-week high of $345.68, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Oracle stock surged approximately 6.7% today as the company gained fresh momentum from 2 significant headlines. A surprise leadership reshuffle elevating Clay Magouyrk and Mike Sicilia to co-CEOs, while longtime CEO Safra Catz transitions to executive vice chair, and new details emerge regarding Oracle's potential involvement in recreating a U.S. version of TikTok's algorithm as part of a larger deal. In the short term, this combination fuels optimism. Investors are rewarding the perceived continuity in cloud strategy, faster execution under cloud and industry veterans, and the prospect of a lucrative data and ad tech opportunity if the TikTok collaboration materializes. Expect higher trading volume and continued volatility as the market adjusts to deal risks and regulatory scrutiny. Over the longer term, a successful TikTok partnership or acquisition could significantly expand Oracle's cloud revenue, advertising, and artificial intelligence data capabilities, and valuation multiple, while the co-CEO structure enhances operational focus but maintains governance stability with Catz on the board. However, execution risk, regulatory hurdles, and integration costs remain crucial downside factors that could reverse today's gains. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Oracle a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank also rated Oracle as outperform with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald provided Oracle with a rating of overweight, again suggesting a hold. Additionally, Gowan & Company rated Oracle as a buy with a hold recommendation on that Wednesday. Finally, on Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, Citigroup rated Oracle as a buy and recommended an upgrade. Analysts have assigned Oracle stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Oracle. Oracle stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at $305.12 and $257.85. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. The rising volume accompanying the price increase is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative indicators have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, September 10, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 0.0548%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. A long-term moving average, buy signal 93 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 81 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oracle. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $307.86 and $306.65. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is breached, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Oracle finds support just below today's level at $307.86. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $306.65 and $292.18. This stock may exhibit significant movement during the day, which indicates high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $22.57 between its high and low, or 7.35%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.3%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oracle, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 8th of December, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.63. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oracle. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oracle is at $328.33. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Oracle faces its first support level at $307.86. If this support level holds firm, it could present a good entry opportunity, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oracle from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, 2025, Smith Maria executed an insider purchase of 13,169 shares of common stock. On the same day, Smith Maria also executed an insider sale of 6,862 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of September, 2025, Smith Maria conducted an insider sale of 13,169 shares of restricted stock unit. On that day, Cecilia Michael D. executed an insider purchase of 52,673 shares of common stock. Cecilia Michael D. also conducted an insider sale of 25,468 shares of common stock on the same day. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 9.718. In total, insiders acquired 32,998,172 shares and sold 26,374,668 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $316.69, reflecting a decline of 3.49%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which presents a significant risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 76, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is Oracle stock a good buy? Oracle presents several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable option at these levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy for this stock since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, we expect Oracle to open lower by $6.63, starting at $321.52. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.